corn fritter is the most easy thing, the cheapest thing for the vegan thing to do. So you got a can of corn fritter, the sweet corn, good one, no flavor, put in there. Whatever ingredient I put in the paper, I can't remember. So about like, you know, with the sugar. We not use MSG in the Thai food, so just sugar is maybe addictive enough. Say some pepper, 1 spoon, salt, 1 spoon, and then the same amount of the corn, the self-raised flour. You can measure it in there. That's it. Then you just kind of stir it together. No egg involved, no nothing involved, right? Just make sure that it all stirred together well, otherwise some part gonna be really salty and some gonna be really sweet. And give it a rest, the corn will, you know, like give the water and then mix it together itself, it will sticking together, so just leave it like about 5 minutes. Then you go to prepare the stock. So, vegetable stock, so it's like meat, so you got like meat and the bone, which is the corn, that's what we use. It's quite hot that. So corn, you just put the corn in the water and a bit of salt. That's your food stock. It's very sweet. It's really nice. And then after you finish, you can eat the corn for the dessert as well, or give it to your kids. So you got the stock ready. Then now you can make the sweet and sour sauce. Normally, how do you make sweet and sour sauce? What do you use? This is easier. This is much easier. So you use the, if you got time, it's like a pasta sauce. You can use the fresh tomato and then stir it until it's like, you know, moist or whatever. But I haven't got time, so I use the ketchup and the soy sauce. That's it. And then I want to make it look authentic. So I put a bit of pineapple, a bit of red onion, a bit of salt, a bit of sugar, a bit of pepper. Tastes amazing. You're gonna try it in a minute. So now your corn is ready. So you're gonna shout for your boyfriend or friend to come to help you deep fry it. Anyone volunteer?
I'll do it, Karen.
Yes, please. Yay. So when you want to deep fry it,
I'm just gonna wash my hands. Yeah.
so now like your corn is really already sticking together. The longer that you leave it, the more it will be sticking together. But if it not stick, don't worry, just put a little bit of hot water to make it stick together. I'm gonna put it in that. So you go round the way. So the technique how to deep fry it, if you haven't got a deep fryer like that, you can use a pan. So you have to dip your spoon in the oil first, make it hot. Yeah. And then you take like 1 spoon at each time, and then you deep fry it. That's it. Then the corn fritters done. Yay, volunteer! So you have to dip the spoon in the oil first, yes, and then do the spoon. Right. So while your friend or boyfriend doing that, you gotta do something else. So sweet and sour is easy. So basically, you know the trick how to make the sweet and sour already. So just ketchup, soy sauce, yeah, and then whatever authentic, just put it in, make it look nice. And then like with lots of like, so when you want to do it, just put like lots of mixed vegetable, tofu, whatever. But now pad Thai sauce, what are you gonna do? So from the sweet and sour sauce, you add the tamarind sauce. You can do it yourself by the fresh tamarind and then boiling it, but it will take like ages, like half an hour, and it look ugly as well. It's like a pool. So just like add the tamarind sauce in there. Actually, I need to separate out some of them for later. I was doing sweet and sour sauce for you to try. So I'll put it in here. So tamarind sauce, 1 spoon. And then any chili sauce, or it can be chili oil, or it can be anything, just the smell of the dry chili that come up. So another spoon of them. So there's your pad thai sauce. Okay. We're gonna do pad thai, so I'm gonna go over there. I got my curry, I'm good. That 40 I'm sweet and sour for later. Normally pad thai you have the egg, but you don't need eggs because you're vegan. So we only need vegetables. Those are vegetables. Put some more in there. Let's pretend that I got lots of vegetables. Or you can make like tomato sauce from the tomatoes. So any vegetable that you like to put in your pad thai, you just put it in. Thank you, Jules. So you got your pad thai sauce. So hot. Then you got your noodle. I need to stir this. Stir them together. So I forgot to wear the glove. Sorry. Seasoning sauce, which is vegan. Yeah. Bit of seasoning sauce or soy sauce if you haven't got any. To make this tofu, so you bought the fresh tofu from the market or co-op or wherever, you just have to deep fry it first and then it will stay with you for a month. You have to keep it in the fridge. But if you stir fry fresh tofu, it will become a bean curd, become like white sauce instead.
You cook it small and then very quickly, all protein and cold.
Yeah. To become this, you have to deep fry it. Yeah. So make it smaller.
So tonight.
So your guest is here now. Everything have to be finished. This pan is like. And then to garnish it, you just use, cracked peanuts or lime, dry chili, everything on the top for your guests to make their own taste. At the end, soy sauce, so make it look very fancy. So your noodle and vegetable is nearly become together. And your corn fritter is ready because of your friend. So when it I think it works. Just haven't got a light. But it works. Let me switch. It's still on. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
So the bean sprout from Morrison Co-op is the last thing with the spring onion because it's a very easy to cook vegetable, so it comes last. Then you got sweet and sour with the other vegetable in here. You got another pan. Then the sweet and sour is done as well in 5 minutes. Yeah, we can use another pan with the, yeah, yeah, we can put it on the pan straight away. That's it. Any question? While we're not busy? Well, I've been working with about like maybe 10 Thai restaurants in the UK. Every restaurant is different. But with the base, they always using tomato base. But if they're really like real Thai, they'll use like onion, pineapple, chili. So everything from the fresh vegetables. Tamarind. So basically they will stir everything for days and days to become a sauce. So you can see this become your meal now. And if you like a darker color, you can use a dark soy sauce as well. Make it look white. It really depends, like even in Thailand itself, like the north, the middle and the south is all different, the food it tastes different. And we never measure anything. Because it really depends, like in winter you cook differently. You make it hotter, you make it spicier. And then like in summer you make it less hot and kind of thing.
That's how when we work on it, we want comfort food like tomato soup or you come around with like the hottest jungle curry. Like sweat it all out and make it all.
Yeah, depend on the weather. So